In this video, I'm not going to teach you how to become a fluent English speaker. Instead, I will teach you one life lesson that will help you to make your future bright, that will help you to develop skills that you want, that will help you to develop your thoughts also. Have you ever think about a person who has learned many languages, but you are trying to learn a single language, English, but you are not able to learn it? Do you know why? Have you ever think about it? English is very simple and easy language that anyone can learn it. But even then, if 1,000 people are trying to learn this language, only 10% people become fluent English speaker. And other 90% people cannot learn. Do you know why? And 1% people. Do you know 1% people? 1% people are who has learned the English language as well as they have learned some other languages also. Do you know why? They apply only one single formula in their life. I will tell you one example. Have you ever heard the name Habib? Habib was a fighter. He used to fight. He fought 29 matches and in each and every match he won. Do you know why? Because he had only one single formula in his life. It was discipline. He practiced each and every day. He never broke his discipline most of the time. So when he has headache, if he has fever or any other kind of illness, but he never lose his hope. He always think that he is the winner. He never pretend himself that he is a loser, and that is why he won all of the matches. And discipline, this is very important for you. If you follow discipline, if you are learning, you have started learning today and you are learning English speaking with discipline, then you will definitely become a fluent English speaker. If you are starting slowly, even then you will become fluent English speaker. For some people, they can learn very easily in a short time. But maybe for some people, they can learn in a long time, but they will definitely learn English speaking. If developing a skill is taking time for you, so it doesn't mean that you will leave that skill. You will stop learning that skill. No, it means you have to be more disciplined. You should not lose your hope if you are learning any kind of language, if you are developing any kind of skill. I will give you one simple example. If Habib had broken his discipline for a single day, he could not do it. There were multiple reasons that he could broke his discipline, but he didn't ever. He always think if he had broken his discipline, if he didn't practice for a single day, it means he is giving chance to someone else to win from himself, and that is you are giving right now. If you face difficulty in in developing any kind of skill in learning English speaking, you stop that. Why do this? Don't you want to become fluent English speaker? Don't you want to make your future bright? You all are learning English only for doing job now or developing your skill now. So you have started it. You made a goal, but you are leaving your goal in the between. Why? Have you ever think why? Because you never treated yourself confident. You never treated yourself as a fighter. You always think if you are facing any kind of difficulty, you get frustrated and you start divert your mind into other things. You start scrolling videos. You start watching web series for diverting your mind, and as a result, you leave that learning skill in the between. You stop learning that. It happens with everyone. Everyone faces difficulty. Only that person can become successful who is doing practice with discipline. If you are not able to do that practice with discipline, it means you cannot become fluent English speaker. That is the single reason that most of the people are not fluent English. Most of the people are not fluent in English. Do you know why? Because they don't practice each and every day. Learning English takes time, but it will happen one day. If you are practicing today, It means you are developing your skill. You have learned a little. You will not realize that you have learned and you have improved, but you are growing yourself. You will see if you are doing the same thing, if you are practicing every day, you will see result after 1 or 2 months. You have developed your skills from 0 to 20, 0 to 30. You will see after a long period. You could not see the result within a day or within a twice of the day. It will take time, but it will happen definitely. This is a single formula. Discipline and practice continuously. Consistency are applying those people who are 1%, who has learned multiple languages. Now they are learning one language. After 1 year, maybe it will take 1 year. After 1 year, they will become fluent English speaker. They are doing it continuously. Then they choose one more language because they don't want to lose their discipline. If you have become disciplined in your life, in 1 year you will become fluent English speaker. After 1 year, you will automatically think, I should learn one more thing, because you have developed a skill of learning something new. Your mind had trained now. So when your mind will be trained for learning something, for learning new, when you will face some more difficulty and your mind will feel, now I cannot sit empty, I will have to do something, I will have to face difficulty, because now your mind has trained for the situation, for those situation that normal people cannot do. In this situation, you become something different from others. Slowly you will come under the 10% of the people, and if you do it continuously, you will come under the 1% of the people. So now you should have start practicing of learning English speaking, and you should do it with a discipline.